trying to find a spot to fly my drone, and the Italians take flying drones seriously. Supposedly it's a 3,000 euro fine, and they take your drone. But whatever. No risk, no reward.
Si sa, noi del sud parliamo a voce alta. Si sa, noi del sud.
There's the Beetlejuice church again. Repeat after me. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Really, that sign said they're going to fine you if you get caught wearing flip-flops on this trail. See? The thing about them European countries is Big Brother's always watching. Always telling you what to do. What's best for you. Yeah, don't do that. It's not good for you. Don't speed. It's not good for you. You know, in London, they say if you commit a crime there, it's almost impossible to get away with it because you're on camera. And now they have AI cameras so they can detect your face, and they can literally follow you around the whole city all the way to your freaking house, and they come arrest you. To us in America, some scary shit.